walking in your shoes, I wouldn't worry none. Well, and your friends are worrying about some lot of fun. Counting flowers on the wall, that don't bother me at all. Playing solitaire till dawn with the deck of 51. Smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo. Now don't tell me I've nothing to do. Last night I dressed out to pretend I was out of town. As long as I can really start to slow these fuckers down. So please don't keep on over me, I'm really doing fine. So you can always find me here and have just one time. Counting flowers on the wall, that don't bother me at all. Playing solitaire till dawn with the deck of 51. Smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo. Now don't tell me I've nothing to do. It's good to see you must go on and not a lot of fright. Anyway, my life was young to colors light, and my shoes are not accustomed to this hard concrete. So I must go back to my room and make my day complete. Counting flowers on the wall, that don't bother me at all. Playing solitaire till dawn with the deck of 51. Smoking cigarettes and watching Captain